So number 6 here, number 6 is a sector area question. So we got at Regent Elementary School, different parts of the playground are fenced off for junior and senior grades. The junior sections, we have some kids skipping rope here, is an area of 85. So 85 meters squared is the area of the sector. Okay, so determine the total length of the fence that surrounds the junior section, round of the nearest sector length. So here, this would be the radius, this would be the radius, right? So the junior section has an area of 85. So this is our ratio. If we've got 143 degrees out of a max of 360 degrees, that's my snowboarding I always failed at. I could probably do a 143 degree flip turn thing. I'd fall down anyways, but anyways. So this is part of the whole thing. This is a fraction, so part of the whole maximum. So the total area is the thing we don't know that we need to get to the radius. But we know what the sector area is. It is 85. So now all we need to do is cross multiply. We don't know what this is, so times that. We know what this is, times that. So 85 times 360 degrees is equal to 143 degrees times t for the total area. Let's use A. So the area is A. Alright. So 85 times 360 gives us 30,600, big number, so 143 times A. So we divide this, opposite operation, they're doing the opposite thing to keep it balanced, so 143 divided on both sides, 143, so this divided by 143 equals, the total area is then 200 and, so here, if we're rounding to the nearest tenth, then this would go up to 214, or we could write 213.99, because right in here it's 5. I'm going to go with 214 as the total area, so that's meters squared. So we're almost done. So we've got, this is the area, so the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So if we got the 214 is equal to 3.14. So this is the same as the last question and many questions. Circles, there's only so many things that you need to know since it's a max of 360 degrees and pi is 3.14. So 214 divided by 3.14 gives me 68.15 is the radius squared. Then you're going to square root the answer to do the opposite. The radius is 8.26. Round to the nearest tenth. Make that our little rule. 8.3 is the radius. Good. So that means this is 8.3, and this is 8.3, and 8.3. So now we need to find the whole circumference, because we need the arc length between here and we need the arc length here. So if our ratio is 143 out of 360, and we want to know what this is, so we want to know what the arc, so arc is part of the circumference. So we need the circumference. So 8.3 doubled will give us the diameter, so 16.6 is the diameter. That times, so 16.6 times 3.14 gives us a circumference of 52.12. Alright, let's round it to that at least. So that goes here, 52.12, or 1. I'll keep with the tenths. So now here we go across, multiply, because this is like a division symbol, a weak division symbol here. So we're going to move that over there. This times 143 gives me the giant number here, divided by 360. And that gives me the final answer of 20.7 meters. So that's the arc. So that goes 20.7. So 20.7 is the distance from here to here. 8.3 is the distance between the radius, which is this and this. So then we gotta add 8.3, 8.3, and 20 point that, 20.7. So that makes 16. Oops, you gotta carry that one. So 7 plus 3 gives me 10. I gotta carry down 3 here. We got one extra one. 8 and 8 gives us 16. Plus that is 17. So 37.3 meters is the perimeter of this shape.